Meghalaya, along with the rest of the world today, joined the celebration of World Pulses Day. In this connection, the Office of Krishi Vigyan Kendra, Jantia Hills organized a program for this day with the theme Atmanirbhar Bharat, harnessing potential pulses for import substitution at Namdong village, where NICRA project is being implemented. Speaking on the occasion, Shri R. Suchang, Subject Matter Specialist, Animal Husbandry and Veterinary, KVK Jantia, spoke on the importance of millets, which are known to be a repository of protein, fiber, vitamins and minerals. Shri Chaku Amanparyat, Senior Research Fellow, ARYA Project, KVK Jantia Hills, delivered a lecture on pulses, types of pulses and its importance to our diet. As part of the program, a demonstration by Shri Firstborn Sutna, Senior Research Fellow, NICRA Project, KVK Jantia Hills, on line sowing of seeds was also held with farmers actively participating hands-on seed sowing. Seeds were also distributed to the farmers. Altogether, 49 participants attended the program, which includes farmers and farm women besides the officials of the organizing departments.